Welcome to our review of the LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled ProBake slide-in range with air fry, a kitchen gadget that's turning heads. This isn't just an ordinary range, it's a smart appliance designed to bring convenience and innovation to your kitchen. With Wi-Fi capabilities, you can control your oven from anywhere. It boasts ProBake technology for perfect, even cooking, and an air fry function for healthier meals. As a slide-in range, it adds a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen. Stay tuned as we dive into what makes this appliance a must-have for home cooks. Now let's delve into the features that make this LG slide-in range stand out. At the heart of this appliance is the Wi-Fi capability. This isn't just about turning your oven on from another room, oh no. It goes beyond that, offering remote diagnostics that help keep your oven in top shape, saving you time and potential repair costs. Then there's the ProBake technology. Imagine getting even baking results every single time. No more worrying about hot spots or unevenly cooked pastries. With ProBake, every corner of your oven works to create perfectly baked goods, consistently. But let's not forget about the air fry function. Who doesn't love a good fried dish? But what if you could enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt? Well, this function allows you to do just that. It uses hot air to give your food that crispy, golden exterior without requiring a ton of oil. It's healthier and just as delicious, if not more so. And lastly, the slide-in design. This isn't just about aesthetics, although it does give your kitchen a sleek, seamless look. The design also makes installation a breeze and ensures a perfect fit in any kitchen layout. With all these features, it's clear why the LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled ProBake slide-in range with air fry is a game changer for home cooks. To wrap up our review, let's quickly recap the standout features of the LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled ProBake slide-in range with air fry. This is not just an oven, it's a smart appliance that brings a whole new level of convenience to your kitchen. You can control it with your smartphone, making it possible to preheat your oven while you're still on your way home from work. Let's not forget the ProBake technology, which ensures even and precise heat distribution, providing you with perfect results every time. Whether you're baking a cake or roasting a chicken, you can trust that it will be cooked just right. And then there's the air fry function, a healthier alternative to traditional frying. This feature lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil, without compromising on taste or texture. Lastly, we have the slide-in design. Not only does it give your kitchen a sleek, built-in look, but it also makes it easier to access the oven. Thank you for watching our review of the LG Smart Wi-Fi enabled ProBake slide-in range with air fry. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!